fundamental reason for that is that takes a small launch vehicle and turns it into a medium-sized launch vehicle. And we're not in the business of building medium-sized launch vehicles, we're in the business of building small launch vehicles for dedicated customers to get on orbit frequently. A lot of things don't scale well, and that's one of the things that really don't scale well in a small launch vehicle. So we have to start off at 8.5 times the speed of sound, and we have to get down to 0.01 times the speed of sound in around about 70 seconds. The aerodynamic loads, it's like taking an Electron and standing 3 elephants on the top. So you have a 1.8mm carbon fibre rocket with 3 elephants standing on the top with heating loads half the temperature of the sun, re-entering the Earth's atmosphere at 8.5 times the speed of sound. And we've got to get it down safely and in one piece. How do we convince ourselves this was possible? Well, we started flying, and when we started flying we started getting more and more data. The Electron is basically a flying laboratory. We have around about 15,000 channels of data every flight. So we collect a huge amount of data every flight, and once you start to collect that data, we started to build these computational fluid dynamic models. We tried to understand and close the verification loop of what's going on. Goal 1 is just to get through the wall. And I bet a lot of you guys were sitting there watching and looking at the helicopter piece thinking, whoa, that's tricky. But as a budding helicopter pilot, I can assure you that is the least bit that I'm worried about. That bit is super easy. Getting through the wall is really, really hard. The grand goal here is if we can capture the vehicle in wonderful condition, in theory we should be able to put it back on the pad, charge the batteries up and go again. That's the main ideal goal. So why do this recovery? Why the change, and why are we trying to attempt this? And it comes down to this fundamental fact. Launch frequency is the absolute key here. Launch frequency is the thing that is going to change this industry, and quite frankly going to change the world, because if we can get these systems up on orbit quickly and reliably and frequently, we can innovate a lot more and create a lot more opportunities. Even if I can get the stage back once, I've effectively doubled my production ratio. So that's a wonderful place to be.